is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do the tutorial video for the 3D hand fan. And before that, I want to show you this new stamp and die set in the store. So this die set is designed by Nicole, and she made it so you can cut all the sentiment in one time. You have the matching die, and let me show you the words. Have a wonderful day, sending handmade love. Friends like you are hard to find. You are most welcome. Hi friend, sending you my prayers. You are so beautiful inside and out. You go girl. Friends like you are priceless. I feel honored to call you my friend. Yeah, so these are all about friend and about love. I cut it out so you can see. I like that it has the fishtail ends. So it has plenty great sentiment to add on your cards. And then I want to show you this swing card that I made. Yeah, I just add it on the circle card, and I made this flamingo floaty into a plain card, so not a shaker. And I also add this cute girl here. This is from the Hello Summer stamp set that is sold in the store. It's also available on the Amazon store. I think it's super cute. And yeah, I add the wings. These wings are actually belongs to the swim floaty set, but I use it here. I think it's also fun. Yeah, I just like this. It's very interesting, I think, and very simple to do. I use the pen to highlight all these parts, and I think made it more cute. And so that's back to the tutorial. So in this die, you will get these two parts. This is to make the how to call that? Yeah, make the fan, and this is to make the handle part. And yeah, in the previous video I showed two different fans, and today I'm going to do that pink one. Sorry, I don't have the fans at my side now. I have gifted them to my daughter. Yeah, so let me show you this one, and then you will see the result after we finished it. And I cut this one 2 times, and then cut this one, so run it through the machine 6 times to make the handle, because if you want to make your handle more sturdy, you need to like stick them, yeah, 4 pieces together. And then I also run it through the machine 3 times to make the decorative part for this handle part. You can do it or not, it's up to you, but I like to make it, so I think it will be more beautiful. And I just fussy cut this part to fit here. So I have finished all these. So I think this is cool, and I'm going to finish these in the video. And for the last piece, I stick it like so. So in both ends, you will see the front side of the cutout. So you will not see the back side of your cutout. I think it will make it more beautiful. I got a problem with my glue that, yeah, I cut the hole too much. I just do a stupid thing and cut off the top end so you can see it has a super big hole. That, yeah, I know I'm stupid. And yeah, I just have to use this tool to make this groove better, and so it will not stretch out when I glue it. And stick these two parts here. So this handle part is ready, and for this part, you just do it as the rosette one. And you need to trim off this part. And stick it here. And then fold it like this. So just like the normal rosette ones. So it looks like this. Okay, first you need to trim off this part also, this tiny part. It's up to you to stick it on, like this or this. It's up to you, but yeah, I suggest you can stick it in this place. See here, there are two holes, and yeah, just at this place. And do it like this. Stick both ends and then fold it like this. And then you put this in here, so you leave, yeah, just put the handles like that, like so, like this. And then you need to trim off here, so that's from this end 1 2 3 4 5. Trim it off at the fifth line. So if you like make 7 handles, then you don't need to trim off. And then stick this part here, so you have a one corner here, and then stick it here, and then one gap here, one corner here, and stick it here. And for the last piece, stick it here. So fold it over just like the first one. Then use a small binding ring to collect these pieces. So the outer diameter is about, I think it's almost 2 centimeters, and that is 3/4 inches. It will look like this. And as I said in the previous video, that if you want to make it look like so, then you need to use a rubber band to hold this place. Sorry, I don't have a rubber band at hand, but if you want to have a rubber hand, you just need to make an eyelet at this part. So make an eyelet here, and then add a ring here. Then you can put the rubber band in this place. And then you can also add some charms here. And then you can use the rubber band to close this part. So it will look like this, and then you can send it to your friends. So yeah, this is how this 3D hand fan works. And you can also make it like a rosette, so it will look like a big rosette with a handle at the end. Yeah, so that is not hard to make. For that one, you only need to cut this rosette 4 times, and this one 2 times to make this one 2 times to make the handle part, and this one 4 times to make the full rosette. So it will be a sharp or round fan. Yeah. I will insert a photo here in case you didn't see my previous video. And so that's all for today. And if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.